Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about the recent enhancement that we have made to the EKS cluster type that will make the debugging and troubleshooting easier when the clusters are managed through Rafay platform. Now let's look at the problem statement. When the users are creating clusters and through Rafay platform, and if due to any reason, and the reasons could be bad configuration, maybe networking issues, or maybe incorrect availability zone or incorrect instance size which is not allowed in the environment, and they in these cases they probably won't like these cryptic errors, and which makes their life difficult to debug these failures, and they should be able to self-service it, right? They should be able to debug and troubleshoot themselves. So as part of this enhancement, what we have done, basically enhanced our EKS logging so that users can troubleshoot through our platform instead of switching to different consoles, like in this case AWS consoles. They don't have to they don't have to juggle, jump through different consoles to diagnose the issue. So that's why in this video I'll just show you what all we have covered, what is included, and what are the supported interfaces that we have added in this particular capability. Now what is included? Now when the failures happen, we make sure that all the stack events from the AWS are propagated or shown on our platform when the failures happen. All the ASG events are propagated back if it's an ASG related issue. All the health issues, all the add-on, suppose if your add-on creation fails due to any reason, we make sure we bubble it to our interface. And if the node group failed due to any reason, we make sure we propagate all the system logs to our platform so that users can debug in a better way, and they don't have to go to different consoles to find out a problem. Now the supported interfaces that we have for this, we supported in our Rafay user interface. We have RCTL supports, and we also have Swagger API support. Now this is what we have solved as part of this enhancement, and let's look into in real how it looks like in the UI. For the video I'll just show the UI failed, just to showcase that how it looks like. Now in this case, let's look into this case. If you see, users, in this type, the user is not authorized to basically create this cluster. So the user that I'm using is not authorized. Now this is the error message. We kind of aggregate the error message and show it to the user, so like it's very clear for him to debug and see what is the real cause. Like users can also go into logs and events and find out all the stack events, and see at what point it has actually failed. All the stack events that you can see in AWS are shown on our platform as well. So this is one case. Let's look at the second case. If you see this error message is very cryptic. You don't know what exactly has gone wrong. Now what we have done, we are showing the detailed error message, what exactly has gone wrong. If you see, you are not authorized to launch instances with this launch template. That means there is some authorization issue. Customers are not using proper configuration. Due to that, his user is not allowed to create a instance. Users can also further, again, as I said, go into logs and events and find out further what exactly has gone wrong. So if you see, this is the CloudFormation stack event, this is the Bootstrap stack event, this is a CloudInit logs. Users can look into and see what exactly is the issue. In this way, users can, this can really help our users to debug and troubleshoot in a better way. So I can give you more example. In this case, if you see, the service account creation had failed. So if you see, this error message is very cryptic. You don't know what exactly has gone wrong. If you deep dive and look into this cloud error, you'll clearly see, okay, the ARN is basically incorrect. The validation, I mean, the ARN that user is adding as part of the service account creation is not valid. That's why it's failing. So it's very clear. So I hope this enhancement will help our users to debug better, and it definitely will save them a lot of time in debugging the cluster creation, EKS cluster creation issues. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks a lot.